Very good morning to all of you. How are you, my dear little kids? Good? Great. So kids, today very first we are going to revise counting 1 to 15. Okay? Then we will start today's new topic. So very first you have to speak counting with your ma'am. Okay? So let's start counting. Speak with your ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, and 1, 5, 15. Okay, now speak counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. Okay kids? So kids, today we are going to learn one new number. Do you want to know which number? Then wait. So kids, can you tell me which number is this? Can you guess? In this number, we have two digits. This side and this side. So, which digit is this? This is number 1. Okay, which number is this? This is number 1. And which number is this? This is number 3. So, this number is 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, so today we are going to know about number 13. Okay kids, so let's see. Again, which number is this? This is 1, 3, 13. Okay, now see kids, what is the formation of number 13? For 1, you have to make standing line. Okay, then for number 3, you have to start from here. Make 1 right curve, then make one more right curve. Okay, this is number 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay, now see downside. Which object is this? Can you guess? What is this kids? Very good. This is log. What is this? This is log. Okay, so I have some logs. So you have to count with your ma'am. How many logs we have? Okay, so start from here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so how many logs we have? We have 13 logs. 1, 3, 13. Okay kids? So now I have planned one activity for you. So let's come and see the now activity. See kids, what is the formation of number 13? 1, 3, 13. Okay, so first you have to make one standing line. One standing line for 1. Okay, then you have to make one right curve. Okay, then you have to make one more right curve like this. Okay, so 1 for standing line, then make one right curve, then you have to make one more right curve. So 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Now okay, kids, I have some tablets. Okay, so you have to count how many tablets we have. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. So we have 13 tablets. How many tablets we have? 1, 3, 13. Kids, now I have some peanuts. Okay. So kids, tell me, you like to eat peanuts? Yes. Very good. So now kids, we have to count this peanuts also. How many peanuts we have? Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. So how many peanuts we have? We have 13 peanuts. 1, 3, 13. Okay. Now kids, it's activity time. So kids, for today's activity, I have made one big apple. Can you see this apple? Yes. So write number 13. Okay. What is the activity? Write number 13. 1, 3, 13. So kids, can you see? We have one big apple. So what you have to do? We have some circles inside this big apple. So you have to write 1, 3, 13 in this blank circles. So can we start? Yes. Okay, so let's start this activity. So very first I am writing here 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay. 1, 3, 13. Okay. Again 1, 3, 13. Again 1, 3, 13. Now we have two more circles. So you have to write number 13. Again 1, 3, 13. Okay. So now our activity is completed. So kids, are you enjoyed this activity? Yes. Very good. So this is number 13 activity. Now kids, I am taking work in our book Candy Numbers. Okay. So this is page number 4040. So very first you have to write here CW and today's date like this. Okay. Now start. So first we have one interesting activity. Okay. So what you have to do? Count the cups and write the number in the box. We have some cup. So you have to count the cups and write the number that how many cups are there. Okay. So you have to start from this orange cup. Okay. So you have to tick and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So how many cups we have? We have 13 cups. 1, 3, 13. So you have to write number 13 in this box. So for 13 number you have to make first standing line for 1. Then for 3 you have to make a right curve. Stop here. Then make one more right curve like this. So this is number 1, 3, 13. Okay. Now come down side, trace and write the number 13. So here some 13s are there. So what you have to do? You have to trace it. Okay. So let's start. Make standing line. Okay. Then from this dot you have to make right curve. Then stop here. then make one more right curve and stop here. So this is 1, 3, 13. Again make standing line, 1, then 3. So 1, 3, 13. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete this line. Now see downside, here we don't have any dots, so you have to make one dot. Then from this dot to this blue line you have to make number 1. Okay, now make near one more dot. This is number 1, so you have to make one more dot near this 1. Then start from here, make one right curve, then stop here, then make one more right curve, then touch this blue line and stop here. Like this. Again make directly 2 dots. Okay, so from this dot you have to make number 1. Okay, touch this blue line. Okay, then from the second dot make right curve, then again make one more right curve, like this. So this is number 13. Okay, so kids, you have to start from here and you have to touch the both numbers on this blue line. Okay, don't make number 13 like this. Okay, this is wrong, this is correct. So like this you have to complete this full page. This is your CW work. Now come to other page. This is your homework page. Okay, now we have one more activity. So cross the apples with the number 13. We have some apples. Okay, and inside these apples we have some different numbers. Okay, so what you have to do kids, you have to cross the apple which have number 13. Okay, so you have to find out where is number 13 and you have to cross on it. Like this is number 13, no, this is 1, 1, 11. Okay, so you have to leave it. Now come to next apple. This is 13. Yes, this is number 13. 1, 3, 13. So you have to cross it. Now come downside. This is number 13. No, this is number 8. Now come downside. This is number 13. No, this is number 1 to 12. Now see this apple. This is number 13. Yes, this is number 13. 1, 3, 13. So you have to cross this. Now see here. This is number 13. Yes, 1, 3, 13. So you have to cross on it. Now see upside. This is number 13. Yes, this is also number 13. 1, 3, 13. So you have to cross it. Now this is our last apple. This is number 13. No, this is number 1, 1, 11. So you have to leave it. Okay, so like this you have to complete this activity. Now see downside, trace and write the number 13. Okay, so this you have to complete same as CW page. Okay kids, so like this you have to complete your CW and HW pages with proper formation and in good handwriting. Okay kids, take care, bye bye and thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.